Hello, today I'm going to engrave on a metal business card. I'm going to engrave on this black metal business card, and it will be a promotion card for a new channel that is going to be launched later this month on June the 28th, and the channel name will be Welterustenland. That is a Dutch channel for young kids. There will be before bedtime stories on the channel. So it's going to be launched later this month. If you're interested, you can subscribe YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So for this channel I have the logo over here and the QR codes from YouTube, Insta and TikTok. So we are here in XTool and I will switch to the promotion card. Here it is. And because I'm going to engrave with the infrared light, I've changed this and because it is an image, I've used the invert mode, and I did the same for the Insta logo and the TikTok logo. I put them all on invert. I only keep the YouTube logo the same because that will be the better outcome for this one. I'm going to use my XTool F2 for this project, and I will be using the black metal business card, and we are going to use this as a promotion card. I'm going to process on the base plate, and the settings will be the laser type, infrared, dot duration at 100, power at 40, DPI 500, 1 pass. So basically the settings as given. So let's take a look at the preview, what the outcome will be. This gives a nice preview of the outcome and it looks great. So I will start this process. The estimated time will be 2 minutes and 27 seconds. That is done. I will refresh the background. And let me remove this. Here it is. It looks beautiful, and I will take it out. Here I have the result, and look at this promotion card, Welterustenland. So please subscribe on this channel, make it big for the Dutch followers. Instagram, YouTube and TikTok. It will be launched later this month. The channel is already there, but the before bedtime stories will be launched at the 28th of June. So subscribe. What do you think? Is it beautiful or not, this metal promotion card? If you have any request or another idea, let me know it in the comments and I will post it in the next one. For now, thanks for watching, enjoy your day, and till the next one, bye bye.